You click a PDF link in Chrome and get nothing. A blank page, a black screen, or that annoying failed to load PDF document error. Maybe Chrome downloads the file when all you wanted was to preview it. Don't worry, this is almost always fixable in under 5 minutes. Let me show you how. First, let's check your Chrome settings. This is the most common fix. In your address bar, type chrome://settings/content/pdfDocuments. Press Enter. Make sure Open PDFs in Chrome is selected, not Download PDFs. If it was set wrong, that's your fix right there. If that didn't work, let's clear your cache. This fixes about 60% of PDF problems. Press Ctrl-Shift-Delete on Windows or Command-Shift-Delete on Mac. Set the time range to All Time. Check the boxes for cookies and cached images and files. Click Clear Data. Now completely close Chrome and reopen it. Try your PDF again. Still not working? Let's check for extension conflicts. Open an incognito window by pressing Ctrl-Shift-N. Try opening your PDF there. If it works in incognito but not in regular Chrome, an extension is causing the problem. Go to Chrome://extensions and disable your extensions one by one until you find the culprit. Ad blockers are usually the problem. Next, make sure Chrome is updated. Click the 3 dots in the top right corner. Go to Help, then About Google Chrome. Chrome will check for updates automatically. If there's an update, install it and click Relaunch. Sometimes that's all it takes. If you're seeing black screens or weird rendering issues, try toggling hardware acceleration. Go to Chrome://settings/system. Find Use Hardware Acceleration when available and toggle it to the opposite setting. Click Relaunch and test your PDF. When nothing else works, reset Chrome to default settings. Go to Chrome://settings/reset. Click Restore Settings to their original defaults and confirm. This won't delete your bookmarks or passwords, but you'll need to re-enable your extensions afterward. Finally, if Chrome's PDF viewer keeps failing you, install the Adobe Acrobat extension. It's free in the Chrome Web Store. Just search for Adobe Acrobat and add it to Chrome. It handles PDFs more reliably than Chrome's built-in viewer. Quick recap. Check your PDF settings first. Clear your cache. Look for extension conflicts. Update Chrome. Toggle hardware acceleration. Reset Chrome if needed. Or just use the Adobe extension. For more troubleshooting guides, visit mrgrid.io. If you're still stuck, check the link in the description for live tech support.